Hi there, readers. You know that readers don't just delve right into a book and start reading. Readers must do a sneak peek to get ready to read. They read the title, they check the cover pictures, they do a little sneak peek at pictures on the inside of the book. Then they read the blurb and think, what will happen in this book? So, watch me do it. Come along. This book is called Hairy Bear and the Door, and it's written by Joy Cowley, illustrations by Sandra Carmel. On the cover picture, I noticed there is Hairy Bear. He's carrying some tools in his tool holder strapped around his waist. Oh my goodness, there's a big crack in his front door. Let me go inside and take a little sneak peek at some more pictures. There is Hairy Bear. He's cutting some wood. Seems like he's getting ready to fix his front door. And here is Hairy Bear again. Oh my gosh. Seemed like Hairy Bear hits himself on the paw. How awful. There is Hairy Bear again. Oh my goodness, he's running. He's holding his paw. Seems like he's in a lot of pain. Now let's go to the blurb and see. Hairy Bear needs a new front door. Who will help him? So I'm thinking that Hairy Bear will need a new front door because there's a big crack in it. But he needs someone to help him. I'm wondering if this character will help him fix his door, or will it be someone else? Did you notice how I read the title, I checked the cover picture, and I did a little sneak peek at some more pictures inside the book? Then I read the blurb and think, what will happen in the book? Now, it's your turn to try. Let's try this one together. Get out your own book from your book baggie. Let's try it. Ready with your book? Now let's go. First, we read the title. Then we check the cover pictures. Then we sneak peek at some little pictures inside the book. Did you do that? Then we read the blurb. Then we think, what will happen in the book? Now, let's go off and try it by ourselves. Remember to read the title, check the cover picture, do a little sneak peek at some more pictures on the inside. Then read the blurb and think, what will happen in the book?